Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how we can make corn flour at home. First, select high-quality dried corn kernels, ensuring they are free from any moisture. Next, clean your corn thoroughly to remove any dust or debris. Then, place the cleaned corn in a large bowl and cover it with water, allowing it to soak for at least 8 hours or preferably overnight. This step is crucial for softening the kernels. Once your corn has soaked sufficiently, drain it completely, ensuring no excess water remains. Transfer the softened corn to a high-powered blender or a grain mill. Begin grinding in small batches to avoid overloading your equipment and to achieve a consistent texture. Pulse the corn until it breaks down into a coarse meal. This initial grind is important for the next steps. After the initial grind, it's time to refine your flour. Pour the ground corn through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. The fine flour will pass through, while larger, unground particles will remain in the sieve. Collect these coarser pieces and return them to your blender or mill for a second grind. Continue this process of grinding and sifting until you achieve a smooth, fine corn flour. Now that you have your homemade corn flour, proper storage is key to maintaining its freshness. Transfer the flour to an airtight container, such as a glass jar or a sealed plastic container. Store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and moisture. This will help prevent spoilage and extend its shelf life. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.